If this is your color grading workflow, you tweak one clip, copy it everywhere, then you change something else, and you are stuck in the loop. One change, every clip updates. This is clip groups. Here is how it actually works. If these clips need to share the same adjustments, they should live in the same structure. So I will select them, right-click, and add them into a new group. Now in the color page, instead of working in clip, switch to pre-clip. Pre-clip is where you make scene-level decisions. Anything that should change together lives together. Clip is where you solve shot-level differences. Same scene, but this shot needs a small correction. That belongs here. And post-clip is where I place decisions that should happen after all shot-level work. This could be a LUT, a color space transform, film emulation, anything that should affect the entire group consistently. Good grading is not about copying notes, it's about organizing decisions. Pre-clip shapes the scene, clip refines the shot, and post-clip defines the output. One important thing: clip groups are not about scenes and cameras. They are about shared decisions. If multiple clips need the same exposure correction, group them. If multiple clips need the same color space transform, group them. If multiple clips need to share the same look, group them. If one scene is shot on two different cameras, you might have two different groups, because each camera will require its own color space transform. But if an entire project was shot on one camera, but every scene is different, you could group everything just to apply the same color space transform. But all other adjustments will be on the clip level. So don't group by category, group by what needs to change together. If you want to go deeper into node structure and understand what comes after what, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.